Okay, guys, how's it going? So today we are gonna go hit the track. So we need to get everything loaded up. So we need to get our gear bag, fuel, bike. Still need to throw the filter on it. It's still a little wet, so we gotta wait a little bit. I'm contemplating taking the pit bike. I don't know, it's gonna be a hassle getting it in and out of the bed by myself. But no, when you go get the easy up, what else do we need? We just need to get all our gear rounded up and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get that going. And yeah, I will see you guys once we have everything gathered up. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get that filter back on real quick and probably get ready to start loading up so we can go on and get on out of here. But yeah, we just gotta throw the filter on this bike, back the truck up to the hill, get the quad and probably the putter. I'm probably just gonna bring it, and then obviously the easy up, feel, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Hey guys, well, we made it to the Shell and Winlock. Got to pick up some chest abreasters real quick, and then we're gonna head out to Riverdale. So yeah, got the bike back there. We're gonna go in there, pick up some food, and then head on out. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the track. Okay, you guys, just made it to Riverdale. Let's go. Let's see how the tracks are looking. Hopefully they're not too drenched out with water. I know though, it's been raining. Okay, you guys, we're over here looking like Wonder Woman right now, trying to get our gear on. Track's looking prime. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish getting all this gear on, and then I'm probably gonna wait for Dan to show up because I don't want to just go out there and ride without signing the waiver yet. So we'll see. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, now some
premium 110 we just got all signed up. Just that solid 110 race gas. It has 92 in it right now, so once this fresh 110 kicks in, she's gonna be ripping. Thirsty. She's gonna drink all of it. Okay guys, just got done with like first two rides and it's feeling all right. I don't know, I'm getting arm pumped pretty bad. I'm pretty out of shape for this, but we'll get her dialed in. I don't really like how this motor responds. I don't know if it's because it has the stock throttle body, but like when you get on the gas, there's like a delay. It's kind of sketch, but other than that, it's pretty good. You know, stock suspension, obviously, getting arm pump pretty good. But now we're gonna go ahead and probably go shred a, try and do at least one full 15-minute moto, just to see how we do. But yeah, right now we're only staying out like for 4 or 5 laps. My arms are just killing me, so yeah, we definitely got to get in the gym and start doing more cardio. But yeah. I'm also gonna slam this beautiful Chester breaster we picked up this morning. Let me show you this bad boy. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Well, it's going all right. I don't know why, but the bike is just like, as soon as you hit the throttle, it like cuts out for a second and then it comes in, so it's super sketch. I'm kind of nervous to hit like the big tables out there because I like to have that throttle control in the air, and I feel like with this bike it's just not there. I'm not sure why, but it's a little sketch to me. Maybe we'll probably end up hitting them towards the end of the day. I need to get more used to this bike. But yeah, no, other than that, it's going pretty good. I'm feeling good. I mean, I'm getting tired. I'm definitely out of shape. But besides that, you guys, it's a blast. She's pretty dirty. It's a little wet out here. But yeah, no, it's going pretty good. Turned out to be a pretty nice day, so probably gonna stay here till like 5, maybe 6. We'll see. But yeah, no. I have no water too, so that kind of sucks. But oh well. We will. We're gonna go ahead and go back out and ride here in a minute. So we'll see you guys on the cam. Okay guys, well we finally grew a pair and finally hit one of the big tables out there. Starting to feel a little better, a little bit more comfy. I'm starting to get used to like where the throttle cutout is, so I can just respond to it. But no, the shocks, now that like the oil inside's all warmed up, they're working a lot better. So yeah, I'm gonna do like 2 more motos and probably head out. It's already like 3:40. Oh shoot, a little sucker came out. Oof. I'm gonna have to smash that back in real quick. guys, I'd say it was a pretty solid day. At first I wasn't feeling too hot. I was thinking, man, I'm terrible. I'm booty cheeks. But you know what? Pretty stoked with how we finished the day off. Ran out of gas, that's why we're leaving, but no, it was pretty good day for the first time being back on a bike in like 2.5 years. I ended up hitting all the jumps, so as you guys saw, I haven't even seen all the videos yet, but you guys already have, so yeah, no, it's sick. We're definitely gonna be coming out here next week again. We need to order Nerf bars. It's kind of sketch riding that thing without Nerf bars because I'm scared my feet are just gonna fly off. I actually lost the footing one time out there. Got a nice little blood blister too. Thing's juicy. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's really not that bad, but I'm just being a baby. But no, successful day. We're gonna go get some water because I'm not the smartest one and didn't bring any water, and I'm absolutely freaking, I need my thirst quenched, you know what I mean? But yeah, no, wait, is that right? Is it thirst quenched? Yeah, that's right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no, get that thirst quenched. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys at the house. Or if we stop somewhere, I don't know. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, we are all loaded up. Shabam. Thank God for hills, because doing that by myself is not fun. But no, great day out here at Riverdale. I forgot water. Other than that, it was a solid day. It actually turned out to be a beautiful day to ride. Couldn't have been any better. So yeah. Other than that, I'll see you guys back at the house. We're gonna stop at a gas station because I need water bad. But no, I'll see you guys back at the house. Peace. Okay guys, we are back at the house now. We're gonna go ahead and throw you guys on the tripod while we get all this crap unloaded, and then I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing tonight. I wanted to hang out with Addie, but I guess he went out camping, so we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna wash this thing tomorrow. I'm freaking exhausted. I just want to do that in its own video. We also gotta get the BMW ready for the drag racing stuff. So we got a busy weekend, but yeah, I'll throw you guys in time lapse right now. We're gonna have to give her a nice bath tomorrow. Show you this. She's caked. Freaking muddy. Can't even see the exhaust no more. It's crazy. But no, today was a solid day. Super fun. I had a good time. It felt so good. At first, like I was feeling like, God, so bad. But then after like a little while, I started getting the hang of it again. It has been like 2.5 years since I got back on a bike, so it's been a while. But no, it was a blast for sure. I'm gonna try and go out again next week. So I'll probably have another video coming up. This thing might have a little bit more done to it by then. But yeah, no, solid day. If we wouldn't have ran out of fuel, we would have kept running, but we ran out of gas. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm not sure if I'll be doing anything else today. I'm pretty whooped, but no, stay tuned. Okay guys, it's about 10:30 now. Yeah, I didn't end up doing anything else. I was just too exhausted. I've actually been editing this video for the past 3 hours, so yeah. Solid day though, you guys. What do you guys think? It's crazy, there's nothing in here right now. Oh, I should have ripped the crazy cart. Hang on, you guys. Oh, I wish this one wasn't in the way, but oh well. Let's shred this thing real quick. Uh-oh. No drift bar. Dirty. But no, that's gonna end off today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, not the garage door. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button. Oh. Smash that subscribe button, you guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Oh!